Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a button in Excel to go to another sheet. Now for us to proceed with this one, let's head over here to our Excel sheet, and yeah, we're going to go ahead and start by going over to the ribbon, right click anywhere, and then click customize the ribbon. Now here you should be able to see developer, so check that one, click OK, and now it's here. And then from this point forward, you have the insert button right here. Go ahead and choose the first option. This is the button. And then what you're gonna do really is just control and basically create your own button. So yeah, that's how it's going to be. Click OK. Now you can go ahead and basically change the name of this button. Totally depends on you. I'm gonna go ahead and type here drop down. So now that I'm done creating the button, I'm gonna right click on this one, click assign macro right here, and then head over to click edit. Now I have the simple formula here that I'm gonna show you. So this is the one. I'm gonna copy it here, and basically the only thing that you are going to change is this one. Sheet name, you're gonna change it. In my case, it's gonna be drop down. Just gonna go ahead and use that one, and then you can go over and basically save this one, click save, and then yeah, that's it. So now that it's saved, close. Now basically if I'm going to click this one, what's going to happen is that we should be moved to the drop down sheet. So I'm going to click it, and there you go. So if I'm going to push it at the side, there you go. Click it once again, and you can see that now we are here in the drop down sheets. And yeah, that's how you're going to make a button in Excel to go to another sheet.